Hello everyone, welcome to Steno Aspirants. I am Akshay Verma and I am going to dictate you a legal passage of 500 words at the speed of 100 words per minute. So let's be ready. 3 seconds. Start. Cryptocurrency is encoded data which is indicated as a currency stop. It is associated through the network person to person, also known as the blockchain stop. It is a combination of different steps such as buying, selling, and transferring stop. They are the opposite of money as the government does not legally issue them stop. In a powerful judgment, the Supreme Court judgment on cryptocurrency suppressed the ban inflicted by the Reserve Bank of India stop. The central bank also made a verdict on cryptocurrency to make it prohibited from trading in India as per the report shown from the circular launched in April 2018 stop. In the Supreme Court's judgment on cryptocurrency in 2018, during the judgment on RBI versus Mobile Association, the Supreme Court countermanded the circular launched by RBI stop passes. RBI does not have the right to restrict the trading in cryptocurrency as stated by the Supreme Court stop. The Supreme Court verdict on cryptocurrency was fair because the court believed banning cryptocurrency would snatch the rights of people to do trading which is legal according to the law stop. During the suppression of the RBI circular by the Supreme Court, the court mentioned that there are no such legal rules for banning cryptocurrency trading stop. In future, in case the parliament becomes ready to ban cryptocurrency, the Supreme Court on cryptocurrency would also not behave in the same way stop. The Supreme Court also requested the government to make their side clean on the cryptocurrency matter stop. The Supreme Court judgment on cryptocurrency had the main reason as the court believed that cryptocurrency had not affected and caused any damage to the banks under RBI stop. The Supreme Court on cryptocurrency had a certain mindset that RBI had not made a good decision over the measures for banning the cryptocurrency stock. The court also decided to test the real meaning behind cryptocurrency stop passes. The Supreme Court judgment on cryptocurrency made the court dishonor the decision made by the Reserve Bank of India on cryptocurrency trade by indicating them as legal trading by law stop. This decision made by the Supreme Court stopped the ban on virtual currency trading like cryptocurrency and bitcoins stop. The Supreme Court judgment on cryptocurrency has several reasons behind them stop. The decision made by the Supreme Court on cryptocurrency was quite fair and based on the rights of the people to trade in India stop. Cryptocurrency is made legal in India, but it is still seen as a double-sided sword which has both good and bad outcomes stop. Thus, the court also believes that in future they may ban cryptocurrency if the parliament passes any decision regarding this stop. With cryptocurrency, a person can transact money in real time without any limitations over the transactions stop. But a person cannot have access to know about the KYC of the customers, which can cause problems while tracking the payment stop. Cryptocurrency can also have a high risk of cyber crimes as it does not provide accurate information about the customers stop. So the criminals can easily Target the person without getting caught. Stop over.